welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to talk to you guys about the door panels and the kick panels I made for my truck. This one's going to be a quick video. I'm not really going to show you guys laying it out or anything like that too much, but I'll show you some old pictures I got, and then I'll show you what the panels look like now. So there's some simple things you guys can do with the bead roller. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you like this channel, please subscribe. Let me know what you guys want to see next. So I wanted the panels to have like a stock-ish look, and I'll put a picture of what the original door panels look like, and then I wanted that same shape in it, and then obviously I put the diamond pattern in it. And then here's the kick panels. I know those might be a little dark down there, but I got some wiring hanging down, of course, for my heater, but I'll show you on this side too. These trucks don't come with kick panels, but I had some rust in there that was driving me crazy. And I have vents that I don't use anyway, because I blocked off the cowl vents that come down. But that's what the kick panels look like. You can kind of see I notched, hopefully you can see, I kind of notched them up so they sat right under the metal of the dash, and they kind of sit behind the carpet. And then I just use some self-tapping screws to hold the kick panels in. And then these door panels hook up exactly the same way as before. They got four screws in them, with some cage nuts. This top chrome bar actually holds the top in, and then obviously your armrest and your door handle and window crank hold the rest. And then I ended up painting these fawn. It's fawn, but it's not really the right color that I like. And eventually I will have these armrests painted, and the rest of the cab also. But another amazing drawing for you guys. If you guys don't know what a bead roller is, it's you have two dies that rotate around on these shafts, and they kind of maneuver the metal in the direction you want to go. Whenever I bead rolled those panels, I used a skate wheel, which is kind of like a hard rubber wheel, and then the upper wheel was obviously that V shape, and the nice V depth I used for the kind of quilt pattern on there. And this is what the next beads look like that I used. It's called a 45-degree step bead, and that's what gives me the outside perimeter of the door panels and the kick panels. That's kind of the outside ring, and then I did the quilt all on the inside. This one gives it a lot more structure. Obviously it deforms the metal, so you'll notice on door panels and stuff like that, they start to curve on you. But that's what a 45-degree step bead. There's a ton of different beads. Hopefully these amazing pictures let you guys know. But that's kind of what a bead roller does. The one I used was a Jamie Jordan Mittler Brothers one. Once I finally buy one of these, I'll show you guys how to do that. A radio box that I folded up and made, just a little simple design so that my radio didn't have to sit in my glove box, and it also didn't have to sit up on my dash, because I think the newer radios on an old truck always look wrong. Also, I put in some pictures of a 39 Ford truck bed floor that I made.